In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a group to a Telegram channel seamlessly. This process is quite simple, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure a successful connection between your group and channel. Whether you're looking to share updates more effectively with your audience or keep your community engaged, linking a group to your Telegram channel can be a powerful tool. To get started, open the Telegram app on your mobile device or computer and navigate to your channel. If you don't already have a channel, you can easily create one by tapping on the pencil icon in the upper right-hand corner of your chat list, then selecting New Channel. Fill in all the necessary details like the name and description, and you're good to go. Once you have access to your channel, tap on its title or the three-dot menu, depending on your device, to open the channel settings. In this menu, you'll find a section labeled Discussion or Discussion Group. This is where the magic happens, the place where you'll link your group to your channel. If you haven't created a group yet, you can quickly set one up by going back to the main menu and clicking on the pencil icon again, this time selecting New Group. Just like the channel, follow the prompts to add a group name, description, and members. Adding a few trusted members at the start can help foster interaction right away. Returning to the channel settings, tap on Discussion or Discussion Group and select Create a new group for this channel or Link Group. If you've already created a group, you'll see an option to select an existing group. This lets your channel's followers participate directly, creating a community space within the app. Choose the group you want to associate with your channel, and you'll be asked to confirm your selection. One of the big advantages of this setup is how it encourages interaction. With the group linked, any post you publish on your channel can initiate a discussion in the linked group. Viewers will see a comment button below each channel post, which redirects them to the group chat to leave their thoughts and interact with others. This function is fantastic for fostering community engagement and ensuring your content has a meaningful impact. Before we wrap up, a couple of quick tips: regularly engage with the group to keep members interested, and ensure that the link between your channel and group is easy to find for new members by featuring it in the channel's pinned message or description. By doing so, everyone can join the conversation seamlessly. That's it. You've successfully linked a group to your Telegram channel, creating a vibrant space for communication and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting!